Hi there! In this lesson, we'll review all the available ways to register students for a course. To begin learning, a student must be registered. You can add students manually, set up automatic enrollment, or allow them to register on their own. Enrollment and access to lessons are granted via the student's email. They can enter it during registration, or you can add it manually. The student will receive an email with their login and password for the student account. To access course materials, the student must choose a plan and complete payment, as well as wait for the start date you specified in the pricing settings. One way to register students is to add them manually. You can do this by entering up to 1,000 email addresses or by transferring students from other courses, which is available on paid plans. When transferring, you can also filter students by tags or course progress. In the Language for Invitation emails field, choose the language the email will be sent in. If a student already has an account, they will receive the message in the language set in their profile. In the Assign Tags field, you can add tags to all newly added students. In the Select Your Pricing Plan field, choose one of the available course plans. By default, the option Per Student's Choice is selected, allowing users to pick a plan during registration. Click Invite. You can also invite students from the Audience section. The pop-up feature is another way to attract students through your website. Go to the Courses section, open the needed academy or course, and click the arrow next to the link in the upper right corner. Choose Add Registration Form. You will be redirected to the pop-up section. Click Add Website. You can install a pop-up on a SendPulse site or on an external site. After choosing, click Connect Site. Once the project is created, click Create Pop-up and select a form type, pop-up or inline. Next, choose a pop-up template or create one from scratch. In the pop-up builder, add the courses element. You can use the pop-up for any course. If the course is free, the visitor fills in the registration form and is automatically enrolled. If it's paid, they will be redirected to the payment page after submission. In the left panel, choose the course in the course list field. To add or edit payment options, click Add Payment Type. You'll be redirected to the course builder to configure payment parameters. Select the payment method. You can also add promo codes to your courses. Students can apply them during payment to get a discount. Activate Ask for Promo Code, enter the checkbox text the user will see, and enable Mark as selected by default if you want the promo field to appear pre-checked. Each payment automatically saves the contact in CRM. You can choose which pipeline to store it in, under what deal name, and with what status. Set up contact saving in CRM. After configuring the display conditions for the pop-up and where the data should be stored, click Save and Publish. Another way to register students is through a chatbot. Within the chatbot builder, you can automate registration for students who submit the email and complete payment. Go to the bot builder, add a message block, and enable Wait for the subscriber's response. Choose email validation type and write the text that will appear if the user enters invalid data. You can also add a variable to store the user's input and specify the response timeout. Click Apply. To add payment in the message block, click Add button and select Payment. Enter the course price, currency, payment system, product name, and choose which CRM pipeline will store the deal. Click Add. After adding the message with the payment button, you can continue the sequence. If needed, add a filter element with a payment condition criteria and connect it to an action element. Enroll in the course. Select the course and email variable in the settings and mark the course payment option. Save all your changes in the builder to avoid losing your progress.